Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Turn off the correct 15 amp breaker at the main panel before any work. Verify power is off using a non-contact tester and a voltage meter. Gather tools now: wire stripper, screwdriver, needle nose pliers, and wire nuts. Use 14/2 nm cable for typical 120-volt lighting circuits in homes. Strip insulation to 3/4 inch on all conductors for secure connections. Ensure your junction box is at least 2 1/4 inches deep. Wear safety glasses and insulated gloves while working around wiring. Identify the black conductor as hot and the white conductor as neutral before connecting. Strip 3/4 inch of insulation off each conductor for consistent contact. If the switch loop requires a pigtail, make the pigtail about 6 inches long for neat routing. Twist black hot to fixture hot using an appropriately sized wire nut and secure the connection firmly. Twist white neutral to fixture neutral and cap with a wire nut to prevent exposed copper. Attach the bare or green ground to the metal box and fixture ground screw for bonding. Before finishing, restore power and test the switch circuit with a voltage tester showing 120 volts. Turn the light switch on and off while watching for flicker and secure operation. If the circuit shows unexpected voltage or behavior, turn off power immediately and consult a licensed electrician. Tuck all wires neatly into the box so wires do not pinch when mounting the fixture. Secure the fixture to the box with the supplied screws and torque snugly by hand and quarter turn. Install the trim or cover plate and verify the light function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.